Hunter is asking a judge to reduce her sentence and also waive her court costs for the trial.
In a stunning and unprecedented event that unfolded on July 22, 2019, a courtroom bore witness to a scene that seemed inconceivable within the confines of the justice system. A presiding judge was forcibly removed from the courtroom, an incident that has left both the legal community and the general public bewildered, while also prompting a reflection on the fundamental principles of justice. The courtroom drama occurred during a highly publicized trial, a case that had captured the attention of the nation due to its high stakes and profound legal implications. As proceedings were underway, tensions escalated, eventually reaching a breaking point between the judge presiding over the case and one of the involved parties. The exact origins of the dispute remain subject to interpretation, with some accounts suggesting it was sparked by a contentious ruling, while others point to a dispute over courtroom decorum. Witnesses in the courtroom described the scene as chaotic and surreal. Courtroom security personnel were summoned to restore order, but their efforts only seemed to intensify the situation. What unfolded next was a shocking and unsettling spectacle. The judge, the very embodiment of authority and impartiality within the courtroom, was physically dragged out of the proceedings. This startling sequence of events left an indelible mark on the collective consciousness, prompting questions about the sanctity of the courtroom and the respect owed to its highest authority figure. Legal scholars, pundits, and the general public alike have engaged in passionate discussions regarding the incident. Many have emphasized the imperative of upholding decorum and respect for the judiciary as a cornerstone of the legal system. Moreover, the episode has reignited debates about the necessity for enhanced security measures within courtrooms to prevent such disturbances from happening in the future. In the aftermath of this unprecedented incident, exhaustive investigations are underway to meticulously reconstruct the events that led to the judge's expulsion. There will undoubtedly be legal and professional consequences for those involved. This event serves as an alarming reminder of the challenges faced by judges and legal professionals as they endeavor to maintain order, civility, and the core tenets of justice within the courtroom. As this complex and unsettling story continues to unfold, it underscores the imperative of safeguarding the integrity and dignity of the judicial system. The incident prompts deep reflection on what lessons can be drawn and how they can influence courtroom procedures, security protocols, and the broader perception of the justice system as it navigates its way through these uncharted waters. In a violent and highly publicized incident that unfolded in Cincinnati, Ohio, Judge Tracie Hunter became the focal point of controversy when she was forcibly removed from a courtroom following her conviction for the misuse of her judicial position. The dramatic events that transpired have spurred extensive discussions about judicial integrity, legal proceedings, and the broader ramifications of such a high-profile case. Judge Tracie Hunter, a well-known figure in the Cincinnati legal community, found herself entangled in a web of allegations concerning her conduct while serving on the bench. These allegations included accusations of mishandling cases, the illegal backdating of court documents, and allegations of favoritism in hiring decisions during her tenure. After an extended legal battle that garnered significant media attention, Judge Hunter was ultimately found guilty of these charges.
Former Judge Tracie Hunter is about to be released from jail. We're going to go now to our very own Catherine Robinson, who is waiting outside the Hamilton County Justice Center to see what's going on. Quite a few.
However, it was during the sentencing phase of her trial that the courtroom incident unfolded, thrusting the case further into the national spotlight. As Judge Hunter was poised to receive her sentence, tensions within the courtroom reached a crescendo. Supporters and opponents of Judge Hunter were both present in substantial numbers, creating a charged atmosphere. Amid the mounting tensions, security personnel were called upon to restore order within the courtroom. However, Their intervention inadvertently escalated the situation, ultimately leading to the dramatic sight of a sitting judge being physically removed from her own courtroom. The images of this shocking incident resonated deeply within the legal community and beyond, leaving many to grapple with the implications for the dignity and decorum of the judicial system. The incident surrounding Judge Tracie Hunter's courtroom exit immediately ignited a divisive and passionate debate. Supporters of the action argued that it was a necessary measure to quell a potentially volatile situation, ensuring that the sentencing process proceeded without further disruptions. Conversely, opponents viewed the episode as a disheartening breach of the sanctity of the judiciary, raising concerns about the treatment of judges in contentious cases. Beyond the immediate reactions, the incident also prompted a broader reflection on the challenges faced by judges in preserving the integrity of the courtroom and upholding respect for the judicial process during emotionally charged and controversial proceedings. It served as a stark reminder that the legal system can, at times, become a stage for intense emotions and deeply rooted divisions. Judge Tracie Hunter's case remains a subject of ongoing legal and public scrutiny. The incident surrounding her courtroom exit has left an indelible mark, serving as a powerful symbol of the complexities, controversies, and deeply held convictions that can converge within the realm of the judicial system. As discussions continue to unfold, the incident underscores the ongoing need for a nuanced and reflective examination of the intricate relationship between justice, the law, and the role of the judiciary in society. Footage of the incident shows former Judge Tracie Hunter going limp after a judge upheld her 6-month sentence for improperly passing on information to her brother in a job dispute. The courtroom in Cincinnati can be seen descending into chaos as her supporters protested the sentence overall and the indignity in how she was taken out of the courtroom. Hunter, the first elected African-American juvenile court judge in Hamilton County, was accused of using her influence to help her youth corrections officer brother, Stephen, after he allegedly struck a young offender on the job on July 7, 2013. The incident led to the officer's boss recommending his termination. Hunter is said to have improperly demanded and received documents about the teen and passed them on to her brother, prosecutors said. She was convicted in October 2014 of having an unlawful interest in a public contract, but remained free while she pursued appeals in both state and federal court. Hunter words: "I violated no laws. I did not secure a public contract. I did not secure employment for my brother who worked for the court for about 7 years before I was elected judge. They need to drop these unrighteous and I believe unlawful charges against me," Hunter told NBC affiliate WLWT in Cincinnati on Sunday. But the appellate judge disagreed when he sentenced her on Monday.
I did not commit a crime.
In 2010, Hunter became the first African American elected to Hamilton County's juvenile court. 5 years ago,
many are calling his decision racist. Since then, she has filed a formal inmate grievance, alleging that being dragged from the courtroom aggravated a serious pre-existing medical condition to my neck, back, and legs. It was a use of force that also caused degradation and dehumanization and was broadcast across the world. What she wants to do is play by her own set of rules. Croswell said in court Monday, reports WLWT. That's the very attitude and the very conduct that put her in the predicament that she's in and, frankly, has caused all this pain to her and caused all this turmoil to the community. Dieters has asked the Office of Government Mike DeWine to consider commuting Hunter's sentence, but Hunter herself must apply for the commutation, a spokesman for the governor's office told the Inquirer. Hunter had been free while her conviction was appealed, but a federal judge tasked with reviewing the county case ruled last May that strong evidence existed against Hunter and the punishment could proceed, according to the outlet. Common Pleas Judge Patrick Dinklacker imposed the sentence, which originally was ordered by now-retired Judge Norbert Nadel, according to Cincinnati TV station WLWT. the sentence was opposed in letters from both Cincinnati's mayor and vice mayor, according to Cincinnati TV station WCPO. "I appreciate that she has been convicted, but serving prison time seems to me to be disproportionate to her crime," wrote Mayor John Cramley in a letter to Dinklacker requesting that he not send Hunter to jail. Hamilton County Prosecutor Joe Dieters, who was not involved in Hunter's case, said in a letter read aloud by Dinklacker that Hunter had not expressed remorse for her actions. But Dieters, too, raised concern about the sentencing, stating he believes Hunter may suffer from mental illness that should be evaluated before any sentence is carried out, reports WCPO. David Singleton, a defense attorney for Hunter, also asked that the sentence be further delayed, saying he planned to file a motion to dismiss her conviction and that Hunter had not violated state law, according to the Inquirer. Hunter currently is being held in the medical facility at the Hamilton County Justice Center, where jail officials said she can be evaluated to see if she qualifies for early release. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you all liked it. Keep following our channel for further curious cases. If you found this episode fascinating, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel.